Please like, share and subscribe our channel to learn and enjoy our free online educational videos from class nursery to 10. Please click the bell icon to get all new updated videos.
Chapter 5. Fractions. Fraction facts. A fraction is a part of a whole. 1/4 is yellow. 2/4 are yellow. 1/2 is yellow. 3/4 are yellow. 4/4 are yellow. A whole is yellow. 1/2, 5/7, 3/9 are fractions. In 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. Types of fractions. Proper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called a proper fraction. Example: 2/3, 4/7, 5/8 are proper fractions. Improper fractions. A fraction whose numerator is greater than or equal to its denominator is called an improper fraction. Example: 3/1, 7/7, 8/3 are improper fractions. Mixed fractions. When an improper fraction is written as a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, it is called a mixed fraction. Example: 1, 2/3, 3, 4/7, 4, 5/8 are mixed fractions. Unit fractions. Fractions with numerator 1 are called unit fractions. Example: 1/2, 1/7, 1/3 are unit fractions. Like fractions. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. Example: 1/9, 5/9, 3/9 are like fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example: 1/9, 5/7, 3/4 are unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. Fractions representing same value of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Example: 1/2, 2/4, 3/6 are equivalent fractions. 2/5, 4/10 are equivalent fractions because 2/5, 4/10 cross multiplication 2 into 10 is equal to 4 into 5. Two fractions are equivalent if numerator of first into denominator of second is equal to denominator of first into numerator of second. To find the equivalent fractions, we multiply or divide the numerator or denominator of the given fraction by same non-zero number. Example: write a fraction equivalent to 3/4. We have 3/4 is equal to 3 into 2 upon 4 into 2 is equal to 6/8. So, 3/4 is equal to 6/8. Therefore, the fraction equivalent to 3/4 is 6/8. Comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions with like denominators and unlike numerators. Example: compare 7/8 and 5/8. The given fractions have the same denominator, so the one with larger numerator will be greater. Therefore, 7/8 is greater than 5/8. Comparison of fractions with like numerators and unlike denominators. Example: compare 5/11 and 5/16. The given fractions have the same numerator, so the one with larger denominator will be smaller. Therefore, 5/11 is greater than 5/16. Comparison of fractions with unlike numerators and unlike denominators. Step 1. Find the LCM of denominators of given unlike fractions. Step 2. Convert the given unlike fractions into equivalent fractions with the help of LCM as a common denominator. Compare the like fractions so obtained. Example, compare 5 upon 6 and 4 upon 9. The given fractions are unlike fractions. LCM of 6 and 9 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 is equal to 18. Now, 5 upon 6 is equal to 5 into 3 upon 6 into 3 is equal to 15 upon 18, and 4 upon 9 is equal to 4 into 2 upon 9 into 2 is equal to 8 upon 18. 15 upon 18 is greater than 8 upon 18. Therefore, 5 upon 6 is greater than 4 upon 9. Addition and subtraction of mixed fractions. 2. 1 upon 9 plus 1 3 upon 9 is equal to 3 4 upon 9. Addition of mixed fractions. We follow these steps to add mixed fractions. Step 1. Change mixed fractions to improper fractions. Step 2. Change unlike fractions to like fractions using the LCM of the denominators. Step 3. Add the fractions and change to mixed fraction. Example, add 2 1 upon 8 and 3 5 upon 16. Step 1. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions. 2 1 upon 8 is equal to 17 upon 8 and 3 5 upon 16 is equal to 53 upon 16. Step 2. Change unlike fractions to like fractions using the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 8 and 16 is 16. Therefore, 17 upon 8 is equal to 17 into 2 upon 8 into 2 is equal to 34 upon 16 and 53 upon 16. Step 3. Add the fractions and change to mixed number. 34 upon 16 plus 53 upon 16 is equal to 34 plus 53 upon 16 is equal to 87 upon 16 is equal to 5 7 upon 16. The sum of 2 1 upon 8 and 3 5 upon 16 is 5 7 upon 16. Subtraction of mixed fractions. We follow the given steps to subtract mixed fractions. Step 1. Change mixed fractions to improper fractions. Step 2. Change unlike fractions to like fractions using the LCM of the denominators. Step 3. Subtract the fractions and change to mixed fraction. Example, subtract 3 2 upon 3 from 5 1 upon 2. Step 1. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions. 5 1 upon 2 is equal to 11 upon 2. 3 2 upon 3 is equal to 11 upon 3. Step 2. Change unlike fractions to like fractions using the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 11 upon 2 is equal to 11 into 3 upon 2 into 3 is equal to 33 upon 6. 11 upon 3 is equal to 11 into 2 upon 3 into 2 is equal to 22 upon 6. Step 3. Subtract the fractions and change to mixed number. 33 upon 6 minus 22 upon 6 is equal to 33 minus 22 upon 6 is equal to 11 upon 6 is equal to 1. 5 upon 6. The difference of 5 1 upon 2 and 3 2 upon 3 is 1 5 upon 6. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the numerator of the fraction by the whole number and the denominator of the fraction by 1. The first product thus obtained is the numerator and the second product is the denominator of the required product. 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 is equal to 4. 1 upon 4 pizzas into 3, 5 upon 4 slices into 3, 15 upon 4 slices, 3 upon 4 pizzas. Example 1. Multiply 1 upon 2 into 30. We have 1 upon 2 into 30 is equal to 1 into 30 upon 2 into 1 is equal to 30 upon 2 is equal to 15. Example 2. Multiply 11 upon 19 into 5. We have 11 upon 19 into 5 is equal to 11 into 5 upon 19 into 1 is equal to 55 upon 19 is equal to 2. 17 upon 19.
Remember to express your final answer in the simplest form.
Multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. To multiply a fraction by a fraction, we follow the steps given below. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. Reduce to the lowest terms if required. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Reduce the fraction if necessary. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4 is equal to dash upon 20. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 6 upon 20. 6 upon 20 is equal to 3 upon 10. Multiplication of mixed fractions. To multiply mixed fractions, we follow the steps given below. Convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Multiply the numerators and the denominators. Reduce to the lowest terms if required. Also, we can cancel the numerators and denominators if they have common factors other than 1. Hence, multiply and express the resultant as mixed number if required. Example, multiply 2 upon 5 by 1 upon 4. We have 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 12 upon 5 into 5 upon 4 is equal to 3. Reciprocal of a fraction. The reciprocal of a fraction a upon b is the fraction b upon a. That is, the fraction obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator is called the reciprocal of the fraction. Examples, the reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. The reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Every whole number can be written as a fraction whose denominator is 1. The product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always 1. For example, 3 upon 5 into 5 upon 3 is equal to 1. Hence, a reciprocal is also called a multiplicative inverse.
The reciprocal of a whole number will have the numerator 1.
Division of a fraction by a whole number. To divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the numerator of the fraction by 1 and the denominator by the given whole number. The first product thus obtained is the numerator and the second product is the denominator of the required fraction. In other words, to divide a fraction by a whole number, we multiply the fraction by reciprocal of the whole number. Example, divide 1 upon 2 by 4. We have 1 upon 2 divided by 4 is equal to 1 into 1 upon 2 into 4 is equal to 1 upon 8. Example 2. Simplify 2 upon 7 divided by 4. We have 2 upon 7 divided by 4 is equal to 2 upon 7 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 into 1 upon 7 into 4 is equal to 2 upon 28. Reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. Division of a whole number by a fraction. To divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number with the reciprocal of the fraction. 6 divided by 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 into 2 upon 1 is equal to 12. How many groups of 1 upon 2 are there in 6 wholes? 6 divided by 1 upon 2 is equal to what? 12 halves are there in 6 wholes. Example, divide 4 divided by 1 upon 5. To divide 4 by 1 upon 5, we multiply 4 by the reciprocal of 1 upon 5. So, we have 4 divided by 1 upon 5 is equal to 4 into 5 upon 1 is equal to 20 upon 1 is equal to 20. So, 4 divided by 1 upon 5 is equal to 20. Division of a fraction by a fraction. To divide a fraction by a fraction, we multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor.
Let's try dividing a fraction by another fraction.
Example 1. Divide 9 upon 10 by 1 upon 10. 9 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 10 is equal to 9 upon 10 into 10 upon 1 is equal to 90 upon 10 is equal to 9. Therefore, 9 upon 10 divided by 1 upon 10 is equal to 9. Fractions in the math lab. Understanding equivalent fractions. What you need? 8 1 upon 2 into 11 plain white paper, colored pencils, lined notebook paper. What you do? Give your child a piece of 8 1 upon 2 into 11 paper. Have her hold it horizontally. If your child confuses horizontal with vertical, tell him or her that horizontal is like the horizon. Have her fold the paper in half, then open it up again and ask her to shade half of the paper using a colored pencil. Now, ask them to fold the paper into fourths, that is, half then half again. Ask the child to open up the paper. Ask her how many fourths are equivalent to 1/2. When your child figures out that 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2, encourage your child write this equation on the lined notebook paper for future reference and review. Repeat step 3, but go on to fold it into 8ths and then 16ths, each time having your child write down the fractions that are equivalent to 1 upon 2. As an extension activity, you can have your child write down all the other equivalent fractions he or she sees, like 2 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 8, etc. You can continue this activity with thirds, sixths, 12ths and 24ths. Your child will be surprised at how fractions that look big and scary are actually the very same fractions that they are familiar with.